everyone, my name is Huma and I am from Raval Convent School. Today I will help you in learning how to write advertisement. So here what you need to know. What is the purpose of an advertisement? Well, the purpose of an advertisement is to convince the audience to buy or believe something. What are some text types where the purpose is to advertise? TV ads, website ads, pop-ups, billboards, pamphlets and flyers. You will be able to spot an advertisement by its key features. Here are the top 20 features for you to know and use. First one, personal pronouns like you, we or us used to include your audience. For example, you can't pass this up. We all know that. Imperatives, words that command people to do something. Get on the phone now. Don't waste any more time. Criticism, putting down the opposition. For example, much cheaper than Countdown and New World. Fourth, repetition, repeating words or phrases for effect. For example, you must not, no, you must not. It is cheap, cheap, cheap. Fifth, clusters of three, when three adjectives, noun or phrases are used together to make them stand out. For example, to grow your mind, body and spirit. Simple, quick and so effective. Emotive words, words that creates a strong emotive response. Poverty, joy. 7. Exaggeration, deliberately exaggerating to emphasize a point. There is not a person on this earth who wouldn't want this product. It is the best in the world. 8th, imaginary. Words that help create pictures in the reader's mind and appeal to sense. Smelly, rotting garbage. To drown out those screaming, annoying children. 9th, rhetorical questions. Questions you ask without expecting to get answer. You can totally afford it, can't you? What if that was you? It's not fair, is it? 10th, alliteration. Words in the same sentences all starting with the same letter. Try our treasure trove today. 11th, personification. Giving an object a human behavior or action. For example, your taste buds will be dancing on your tongue. This camera will love you. Similes, comparing two things using like or as. Example, with this pillow you will sleep like a log. For example, you will feel as good as new. 13th, metaphor, comparing two things where one thing is said to be the other without using as or as. This product is gold. This blank book is a playground for your imagination. Onomatopoeia, a word that sounds like the sound it makes. Bang, boom, crash. 16. Slogan or catchphrase, a short statement that people will remember. Is it? Just do it. 17. Images and diagrams. 18. Graph and statistics. Facts and labels. Testimonial and endorsement. NASA scientists predict that. That's all in this video. Hope you understand all about writing advertisement. Thank you.